it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today we are with Sgee Vehnom. Yes, with Probox. Sgee Vehnom with Probox. Because myself, Sgee Vehnom. Not the last reaction, I do feel me beat you bad. So, hopefully, we not have to say nothing negative, another one. Probox, I want to on the Fast and Furious rhythm by 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Because myself, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐓 and the production team behind the project bad so far. I've been reacting to song off of it. I react to Rose Dan, CRV. I react to Remy God, Mercedes Benz. I react to Intense Underfit. I react to Richard Micro Dan Fiedler, which is my favorite song so far on the rhythm. Loud and proud, me I say it. Let me react to 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Bomber with Wrangler, T-Bone with Crown 2. That's a Crown 2. Yeah, the rhythm bad, and the song they match but the name of the rhythm. So let's see what Sgee Vehnom must say in a Probox, man. Let's go, man. Let me ask you, how do you decide which artist sing about which car on the rhythm? One of them, just put a name in our hat, and just any artist just pick the car name or the car brand, and that them have to rap about or sing about. Oh, it go. I don't know. Let's go anyway. Let's go.
You know I'm mad.
You know I'm mad. I'm just talking about that camera.
You know I'm mad.
Read the visions, pick up.
Party crown and jump in a box.
I know that Probox, I see it on TikTok.
Hey.
Bad.
Pick up them gal in iPad Probox. 1+3, me pull up a total use. Today for crime, tomorrow for fuck gal. And it's at 17, make it done, some God.
Dumb buckler.
You know I'm mad.
You know I'm mad.
Party crown and jump in a box. Turn from a God. Hey. Pick up them gal in iPad Probox. 1+3, me pull up.
Voila, sorry. I'm just want something. I have to go back. I wouldn't put. What can I sign this up on a Probox? What can I sign this on?
Turn from a God.
Hey, Jamaicans, I give a fuck.
Hey. Pick up them gal in
iPad Probox, yeah.
1+3, me pull up a total use.
Yeah.
Today for crime, tomorrow for fuck gal. And it's at 17, make it done, some God. You run a car, say Jackie those land. Probox full of bricks like Prince and Banks. Clean pan is 17, done, some God. Trish baggy reach to her, and she see me natural. Those land Probox full of bricks like Prince and Banks. Clean pan is 17 done. Some got Trish baggy reach to her, and she see me natural.
Yeah.
Get a bulk head in high piece. Backseat on Airbnb. Gyal a slurp up my cocky like hot coffee tea. Roll on stage 3, make the engine sweet. 2Z said replace one in Z. Fresh like breeze with the buzz like these. Skate up the beast and burn tire me. If you see a city and a sea, pull up in a bad Probox.
I never thought I would hear a song we make a Probox look like a luxury car. Me driving a one Probox already. Oh my fucking God. No, I was driving. I was the driver. But the back seat is like a bench. The back seat is like a bench. because Probox one of them, but the man sing the song, make the Probox look like a one beamer. Fuck your mother, bad camera. Know that. Hey, I'm scared of myself. I be a thing me I see in that them video where me nothing notice, you know. Watch out. This is how far the man them go. All right. You see that yellow part here? Where they behind the license plate? That are the English license plate them. See me? But it should be white on the front. It should be white on the front and yellow on the back. You see me? So basically, when you see a car like this, it means they get imported in the country. I saw my car they look. Come did import a car in from England. So I saw my car they look, but my car did have white at the front, and then yellow at the back. You see me? So the man go as far as put on that pan him car, dog. The man go as far as put on that pan him car, cause this is not an English car. So, yo. You know mad? Yo, them Probox are fully custom though. I like it.
Turn from a god. Hey.
Him not drive this.
Pick up them gal in I
Yeah, Probox, yeah.
1+3, me pull up a total use.
Yeah.
Today for crime, tomorrow for fuck gal. And he set a 17, make it done, some god.
Done.
He run a car, say Jackie those land. Probox full of bricks like Prince and
Man, have a hook on I car.
And 17 done, some god. Trish baggy reach to her, and she see me natural.
Trish!
Get her, bulk head in I piece. Backseat on Airbnb, gal a slurp up my cocky like hot coffee tea. Roll on stage 3, make engine sweet. 2Z said replace one NZ. Fresh like breeze with the buzz like these. Hey, skate up the beast and burn tire meat. If I see a city and I say, pull up in a bad Probox. Bad like 90s, bad show. Back on the Android radar, bad show. Watch for me, I get pussy anywhere me portal. Couple up town, chick, couple downtown. Y'all when me trick with the beast and don't show. Back on the check your password, car one code that. Sinkers gang, mad. Yeah, man. Mad. Done.
You know, mad.
Parky crown and jump in a box. Murder for go and can't slow up on the app. Yeah, cheap.
Yeah, man. Parky crown and jump on the box. Parky crown and jump in a box. Murder for go and can't slow. Yo.
Parky crown and jump in a box.
Yeah.
Murder for go and can't slow up on the app. Yeah, cheap Glock and 5 grand gas. Anyway, on him up, we a jog them bat. Knock it on a rookie, send even figure watch. A casing sweet like dance all rap. Transport couple of the keys of the crack. Bad Probox, 1+3, me pull up a total use. Today for crime, tomorrow for fuck gal. And he set a 17, make it done, some god.
Done.
He run a car, say Jackie those land. Probox full of bricks like Prince and Bank. Clean pan the 17, done, some god. Trish baggy reach to her, and she see me natural. Backseat on Airbnb, gal a slurp up my cocky like hot coffee tea. Roll on stage 3, make engine sweet. 2Z said replace one NZ. Fresh like breeze with the buzz like these. Hey, skate up the beast and burn tire meat. Left a see a city and I say, bad like 90s, bad show. Back on the Android radar, bad show. Watch for me, I get pussy anywhere me portal. Couple up town, chick, couple downtown. Y'all when me trick with the beast and don't show. Back when me check the password, car,
You know, mad? Yeah. Cloud, another one, brother, another banger. Sgee vehnom. You see why I go so hard? Ready and tell you about your bumbo cloud when I drop that song, the brother. Pretty face. You see why I go so hard? Because you're a bad artist, dog. I'm say it tonight, say you're a bad artist, bro. Bad bumbo cloud song. Yeah. Bad song. For me, this and micro dance song, I'll lead the rhythm. That song yeah, and micro dance song I lead the rhythm. The Probox and the Fielder. The two chiefest guys them lead the rhythm for me. I don't know why. Yo, and Savman Benz bad too. Savman Benz bad too. I say this Benz bad. Yo. Bad Probox. Yeah man. Yeah man. Yo, this bad. Country, we love the concept. Big up the production team behind that. Sgee vehnom, big up yourself, bro. Put out some good music, brother. Put out some good music like them, your dog. You see me? We like them style, dog. We like them style, like different. You know? Yeah. This time I'm going to leave that one still. If you enjoy that one, I want to see more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, man. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.